Hey Denise, here's the song Miserlou. I'm going to play it in D major, and the notes to the song are the D major, not D major, the D klezmer scale. So the notes will be D, E flat, F sharp, G, A, B flat, C. Back to D. So the practice to get really good at the song is to go right, the scale, that up and down the fretboard with as many fingers as you can. The chords for the song are klezmer chords. So starting from a D7, and the rhythm is bass, tone, bass, tone. It's an alternate bass technique on D7. Bass, tone, bass, tone. D7 is what the key that the song is in, and then we go down to the C minor. Same kind of rhythm. D major. So that's the practice. D major to C minor to D major slowly in that rhythm. And look at my guide on learning. This song can be complicated to sync the hands together. Look at my guide on hand coordination where I give examples on how to implement these rhythms. In general, I would do just the left hand rhythm and hum or sing the melody, right? Do da 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 switch, da 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 switch. Again, ba 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 ba, and ba 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 ba. Again, two chords back and forth. This means D major, this means C minor. Feel it out. The melody, I don't have it transcribed, but the melody is written in that scale. So I'll play it very slowly. Again. We're going to come down from the B flat. Same notes. Coming down from the A, same pattern. From the beginning. I'm just doing bass tone, bass tone. Same walk down. From the A. Now there's a beautiful chord walk down. G minor to F major to E flat to D7. It's a big jump from that E flat to D7. So again, it goes da 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 da. We're hitting every note from the D to the G with a little bit of a backwards to the C sharp. So ba 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 ba. G minor. F. E flat. D. Same walk down as before, except from the C. From the E flat. from the C. Again, the trick to the song, there are lots of tricks to songs. I'm going very slowly and I'm leaving a lot of room. So my bass tone, so much room for the melody to come through, because it can get really muddled, but then the right hand won't be heard. Versus it's a lot easier to hear the right hand when we give it that space. Yeah, double check that klezmer guide, because the klezmer scale I show in that guide, in that workshop that we did, all the little things that make klezmer, including those chord changes, is in the song Miserlou. Yeah. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.